So yesterday morning, we talked about what could potentially happen with SHIB, and we were right. Okay, we got exactly what we thought might happen. We talked about the potential for Shiba Inu to actually retrace and go back down to this 5080. Tested it perfectly, bounced off it. We're looking good right now. Now, it didn't quite play out the exact way that we expected, though. You know, we thought that I don't know why I keep saying we. I thought that if we experienced some good news, which we did, the CPI report was positive, we beat expectations, energy costs were down, food costs really did not increase that much. It was a positive report. It was positive signs, right? It's not quite necessarily what we need yet, but we got a flat period. That's great, okay? But what we did get was there was a lot of people that were opening short positions, that were taking this opportunity to sell while the market was overbought. We're still kind of in this overbought period, right? And what happened is a bunch of long positions got liquidated. So you see the big drop that we saw in terms of BTC. We dropped from 35.9 all the way down to 35.1. There was actually 265 million long positions that were liquidated. Okay. Shiba Inu experienced that same drop because, again, it's got a huge correlation with BTC. And we went back down. We tested these support levels. But guess what? Yesterday, again, was what it was. It was a positive sign. It was steps in the right direction. So right now, we've climbed back up to the point where we are above where we were at right after this report went live. Okay. So that's the great thing I want to point out here. So now, what is ahead here? Obviously, we didn't hold this 200-day moving average as support. We didn't hold this 20-day moving average as support, but those ranges that SHIB struggles with, we did hold that as support. And that's an overall bullish sign for Shiba Inu. Now, it's very possible we could consolidate in here. We could move sideways. There's still direction needed by BTC. BTC needs to continue to rally to the upside. It needs to try to push 37K again. You know, if we can get that, guys, if we can get this push up to 37K, SHIB is going to try to make a test at this top range here again. We're going to try to break through this long-term trend line. We're going to try to break through 4010. We didn't quite get it. So now this, guys, is the longest period of time now that Shiba Inu has been below 4010 since we first broke it. All right. These periods, they keep getting longer, right? This was not that long of a period. This was like 2 months, 3 days. This was 91 days. We are now over the 91-day mark in terms of being below 4010. But that isn't necessarily a bad thing, okay? It's not a great thing, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. SHIB is showing more strength here, okay? It's setting higher lows, right? Higher highs, higher lows. We're doing a little bit of a bearish pennant technically on this chart, but the overall market direction is shifting. The overall market sentiment is shifting. We're still seeing this capital influx from outside the space. Even with the drop that we experienced in terms of BTC in the overall crypto market, we're still at $1.39 trillion in terms of the global market cap of crypto. All right. Times are shifting. And right now, if we look across these charts, SHIB is one of several coins that are green right now. But apart from Solana is doing really well right now. And I won't get into why that might be possibly happening, but, you know, it's doing well along with a lot of these other coins. So we'll see if we can continue this rally, continue to extend this move to the upside here. I'm liking where we're at right now. This is all happening at the perfect time. Again, we're getting close to the bull market. Again, we're closing in on the halving. It gets closer each and every day, guys. And now we're only, 5 months away? Yeah, 5 months away. It's closing quick. But I appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Show your support below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.